In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your PC serial number in Windows. This is really useful if you need to register your device for warranty, contact technical support, or keep a record of your hardware for inventory or insurance purposes. I'll walk you through a simple and reliable way to find it using tools already built into Windows. First, make sure your computer is turned on and you're logged into your Windows account. You don't need any special software for this. We'll be using the built-in command prompt. This works on most modern versions of Windows, including Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go down to your taskbar and click on the Start button, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Command Prompt. You should see an app called Command Prompt appear in the results. For best results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If a confirmation window pops up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes, click Yes. Running it as an administrator helps ensure you get accurate information from the system. Once Command Prompt opens, you'll see a black window with a blinking cursor. Here, we're going to type a specific command that asks Windows to show the serial number stored in your system's firmware. Carefully, type the following command. WMIC BIOS get serial number. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning, and that serial number is written as a single word. When you're done, press Enter on your keyboard. After a brief moment, Command Prompt will display a line that says Serial Number, and just below it, you should see a string of letters, numbers, or a combination of both. That value is your PC's serial number. On some systems, it might look like a short code, while on others, it could be a longer sequence. At this point, it's a good idea to copy it down somewhere safe. You can write it on a label and stick it to your desk, save it in a secure notes app, or include it in a document with other important device information. Just avoid sharing it publicly, since it uniquely identifies your machine. If, for some reason, the command returns something like "to be filled by OEM" or "unavailable," that means your manufacturer didn't properly store the serial number in the firmware. In that case, you may need to check the sticker on your physical device or the original packaging. But for most systems, this command will give you the exact serial number you need, quickly and accurately.